Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to start chapter 5 of your computer book, Formatting Data in Word. So let's start. Dear children, you already know the meaning of the word editing. Editing means making changes in the text. Now, the next step is formatting. After typing your document, after making it perfect, after doing editing and all, you have to you should have knowledge about formatting also. Formatting means making the data attractive, making your document look attractive, so that it is more readable and understandable by the user, by the reader. Okay, if I write everything in black and white, if I write everything in the same size, it will not leave an impression on the reader, and moreover it will not be readable also. Okay, so to make our data readable and understandable for the other person, you should do some formatting in the data. Formatting means making the data more readable and attractive by changing its color, by changing its size, by changing its style. Okay, like here you can see that I have written the heading of the chapter and chapter name in which color? In red color. And also I have increased the size of this. Yes or no? Now I am writing the general text. Suppose now I am writing the common text. Now what I will do? I will decrease the size. I will make the size 12. It will be readable by the user. Okay. Suppose I am writing something. Now I don't want my rest of the document to appear in red color. So what I will do? I want to make it appear in general color, black color. Okay. So suppose I am writing the peacock is the national bird of India. It is beautiful. Okay, suppose these two lines I have written. Now I want to, there are several ways in which I can make my text more attractive. So what I have to do, I have to press the shift key and arrow key and I can select my text. It is very important to select your text before you apply any formatting feature. And children, this ribbon, you all know that this portion is called ribbon, and on this portion only there are lot of formatting features available. This stands for bold, this is italic, this is underline. Okay, this is for text color, this is for text shading and all, text effects. Now I will tell you one by one. Now suppose, first of all, select the text. First of all, I will tell you how to increase the size. Go to this size option and you can see that you can increase the size like this. Okay, you can make it bold. After making the text bold, you must have seen that it is now darker. Okay, now italic, the text is somewhat slanted, tilted. Okay, if you want to use this feature, you can use. If you do not want to use it, click this button again and your text will appear like this only. Okay, these bold, italic and underline, these are toggle buttons. Toggle buttons means if you click them once, they will be activated, and if you click them once again, they will be deactivated. Okay, so these are called toggle buttons. Now if you want to underline something, okay, now if you want to underline, suppose I want to underline national bird here, so I will select only this much portion and I will now I will press U, underline. Now you can see that when I am underlining, a small arrow is present here. So this, by selecting this arrow, you can select the underline style. Double underline you want to do dotted underline, any wavy underline you want to do. So it's up to you, any type of underline. So isn't it making your text attractive? Okay, now these three options I have explained you. Now again I have to select the text. I want to apply some more features. So like this, I have to select the text. Okay, now font style. There are various styles available. You can see, as I am selecting the name of the font, the style, it is appearing in different type of style. Now suppose I want a stylish, I want to write my text in some stylish way. Okay, so you can select, there are many options available of font type. You can use any type of style like this. I have selected this one. Now I find that the size is again small. I want to increase the size. You can increase the size by clicking on the size option. Now this is for text color. Now I want my this text to appear in green color, suppose. Now I can select the green color. Okay, now I want some background, some highlighting I want from background. So this is the highlight button. Okay, you can do the highlight color. You can select the highlight color. The background will be changed and your text will be highlighted. Okay, now these are again some text effects, shadow, like this shadow, reflection, any like this. There will be glow, any style, any formatting feature you can apply. Okay, now these are, now I want to apply border. Now again go to this option and go to the the paragraph option, and here you can apply the border like this. Okay, all border, right border, left border. Now you can see that your text has a beautiful border around it. Okay, so this is how you can apply the formatting features, and it definitely make your text more attractive and readable. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to type a simple paragraph in Word now, and you have to apply these features on your text. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.